Well, I try to always tell my clients, again, be honest. Like I had a portfolio manager who was invested, the stock tanked, but he wasn't asleep at the wheel. He switched the portfolio, blah, blah, blah. So then I made him go out into the public. Okay, we're going to do an interview, live interview, and we're going to tell people. I took a chance. I tried this. Stock went down. My bad. I wasn't asleep at the wheel. I quickly reshuffled the portfolio, blah, blah, blah. Now the stock's, trending and it's doing really great. And people were like, they appreciated the honesty. Now they know that you have their best interests at heart, because I had another portfolio manager, the stocks were tanking and they did nothing. And I kept trying to tell them, here's what your peers are doing. Here's what the stock market's doing. You might want to. And I basically got told it's not my job to tell the portfolio manager how to run their company. Okay, well, the company closed. Let me do what I do. I'm the one who's talking to your investors. Let me tell you what the issues are. So I think Elon Musk is a whole other story. He's got billions of dollars to try to be on every type of media outlet and buying people off, probably, who knows? But I mean, he's a little different story. But I think for the majority of companies out there, be honest, be consistent, tell your story, good, bad, the ugly, tell it, because people want to know that you're paying attention. Nobody has a crystal ball. They can't say what the market's going to do. They can't say what the world's going to do. But knowing that you're on top of this, you have a team backing you, and that you're all paying attention to the markets, paying attention to the world, seeing what's trending, seeing what's not, seeing what potentially is going to happen. And, that gives people a little reassurance, But again, it depends on the audience and the company. Are you a soda company? Are you a, e-car company? Are you a financial company? Totally different.
Our special guest today is Patricia Barowski Schneider. She has 35 years of experience in the world of corporate communication, public relations, investor relations. She's seen it from inside companies and the agency side, from every perspective. It's not an ivory tower approach. We're very happy that she's our guest today. We're posting a link to all of her social media in the show notes and in the description. If you have questions, you can add comments right here in our live feature right here, and we can talk to you. Now, we're posting links to Pristine Advisors with an E, which is your main corporate website. Now, you're on YouTube, Vimeo, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You have a blog. So we're posting links to all of that. Question, why Vimeo? I've posted on Vimeo in the past, but I'm wondering, are you doing that because that's attracting a different audience? Or are you doing that because it's just a more professional place and you're showcasing it on your own corporate website?
God, we did that years ago. To be honest, I don't even know if I remember why, but I think it's just we do everything. We try to figure out where's everybody posting. So we did Vimeo way back when. I think just it was something new, and we figured, why not? We'll try it. I mean, like I said, we're always thinking where, like I just did a survey the other day, and it listed, well, are you on these various social media platforms? There were two that I had never heard of. So now I'm going to go check them out, probably join them too. Will they be valuable? I won't know until I try, but doesn't hurt.
What is valuable for you as a practitioner? Is it LinkedIn? I would guess, but it could be Twitter, it could be Facebook or Instagram. Where do you find the most value as far as not having a huge audience, but having A, meaningful conversations or interactions with people, B, possible leads that lead to interviews for your clients, C, possible leads of people wanting to connect with you and possibly hire you?
Right. I'd say for the most part, if I'd said the top three would be LinkedIn, Twitter, and I guess Facebook. But all that's changed too. Like on LinkedIn, years ago, it was companies on there and it was a business networking platform. But I remember when I said with my name, ORS, ERS Advisors, I get thousands of requests a week of people pitching me what I do. And scammers, they are off the charts on there. I actually just did a post about it yesterday. If you follow me on LinkedIn, you'll see it. So it's valuable still, but not as much as it used to be.
They've changed. There used to be, I guess, tools or scrapers you could get. So if you were trying to raise money for your fund, you could pull, I guess, 1,000 financial advisors and be able to send them messages in a day saying, please, I need to have a meeting with you. And you send it to 1,000. And you'll get 6 meetings a day and fill up your calendar, and you get one of them as a client. So it worked. And then I believe, I haven't used this, but I understand they then reduced it to 100, solved some of the problem, but I get pitched every single day. You may appreciate this. I get pitched every single day like you do for people who want meetings with me. And you know what I do now? is I tell all of them, yes, I'm happy to have a meeting with you right now with my digital clone. And if I hear anything relevant, I'll reach back to you.
Right.
So they get to go to my clone and just have a conversation with me. And it's available in every, I mean, this is the communication tool I'm most excited. You know, like you, I've seen a lot of changes in the media world. And I got in, 1984. So we're talking really pre-internet in any meaningful way. So I'm very excited about cloning technology, but I've got one that is just for information and customer support. I think this is my communication one, where they can just come on and talk to me, and I'll answer it pretty much the way I would if they actually talk to me.
Right.
And it'll be completely conversational. TJ, can you hear me today? I don't know why you're not. TJ, I would like to pitch you on my marketing services. Are you are you looking for more marketing services?
TJ, since you didn't share the audio, we can't hear your
Oh,
thing.
I forgot to share the audio. Excuse me. Let me stop that a moment. So that must have looked completely stupid to everyone else watching that.